Is Claude Opus 4.5 the best AI for coding in 2025? Or is it just another overhyped large language model? Today, we're breaking down what really makes Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.5 so powerful, and whether it deserves a place in your developer toolbox. Claude Opus 4.5 isn't built just to answer questions. It's designed to reason, remember, and execute. Unlike traditional LLMs that react to prompts, Claude Opus 4.5 works like a thinking system. It can switch between instant answers and deep, structured reasoning, depending on the complexity of the task. That means faster responses for simple questions and more careful thinking for complex coding problems. One of its biggest upgrades is advanced memory management. Claude can track context across massive files, long conversations, and multi-step workflows, using fewer tokens and less repetition than most models. For developers, that means cleaner results, fewer reminders, and smoother long-term collaboration on large projects. Now let's talk about coding power. Claude Opus 4.5 shines at writing clean, structured, production-ready code. It's especially strong in Python, JavaScript, C++, and modern frameworks. It doesn't just generate code. It understands architecture, validates logic, and suggests optimized solutions. This makes it ideal for building full-stack applications, refactoring messy or legacy code, writing tests and documentation, creating AI-powered agents, automating long workflows, handling complex algorithms. And that's where Claude truly stands out. Claude isn't just a coding assistant, it's an autonomous problem solver. It can break large projects into steps, reason through each part, execute them in order, then review the final result, something many models still struggle with. Compare that to other tools, which often lose context, hallucinate, or need constant correction. On top of that, Claude Opus 4.5 is built with safety-first alignment. It avoids risky outputs, respects constraints, and sticks close to your instructions, making it safer for enterprise-level development. So, is it the best AI for coding in 2025? If your work involves long-term memory, deep reasoning, clean architecture, and reliable execution, Claude Opus 4.5 is absolutely a top contender, if not the best. But the real power isn't just in the model, it's in how you use it. A skilled developer with Claude becomes exponentially stronger. Faster builds, better logic, smarter solutions. So the question isn't just, is Claude Opus 4.5 the best AI for coding? The real question is, what are you going to build with it?